Ready to give your Gmail a fresh new look? Maybe you're tired of seeing that default icon every time you send an email. Good news, changing your Gmail profile picture is quick, simple, and takes just a minute. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your web browser. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome, but any modern browser will work just fine. Once your browser is open, click on the address bar, type mail.google.com, and press enter. If you're not signed in already, Gmail will prompt you to log in. Just go ahead and do that. I'm already signed in, so my inbox loads immediately. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your current profile picture, or if you haven't set one yet, a placeholder icon. In my case, I still have the placeholder icon here since I haven't uploaded any picture yet. Go ahead and click on it. When the small pop-up opens, look closely at the profile image. You'll notice a camera icon at the bottom right corner of the profile picture. That's what we're looking for. Click on the camera icon. A new dialog pops up asking you to change your profile picture. From here, Google gives us a few options. You can choose an illustration, upload a photo from your device, or even take a picture using your camera. For this tutorial, I want to upload a picture from my computer, so I'll select Upload from Device. Now I'll locate the image on my computer, select it, and upload it. Once the image loads, you'll see a preview. Here, you can crop the picture if you only want to use a specific part of it. You can also rotate the image if needed. Everything looks good to me, so I'll click Next to process the image. On the next screen, click Save as Profile Picture. This makes the image available across all your Google services, including Gmail. And that's it. Your Gmail profile picture has been successfully updated. If you refresh your inbox now, you'll see the new picture right there in the corner. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay blessed and keep coding smarter, not harder.